Okay. So, I still got my Jenny, but I found this by the trash dumpster, and it was a Predator Quiet 1400, 1100 running, but I found it and I'm like, I wonder if I can get that going, because a lot of people run them till they're dead, and I know it's been used a little bit, but looks like somebody has been taking shit apart because they didn't know what was going on. And if that's the AC, and they couldn't get any power, well, I've already dealt with that on this, and I knew how to fix it. So another thing is, hell, you ain't even got a top to the spark plug, the rubber piece that goes down on it. And I'm like, and I'm looking around and then I find that the choke, the little choke thing that sticks out of it, was broke off. And then I checked the oil, of course, and I haven't ran it or nothing, but I wanted to check it out. And I pull the dipstick out, and it's even low on oil. So somebody might have got it running and didn't know how to run things. Plus, if somebody was to break the choke thing off, the little choke handle, which is right here, and it's supposed to stick up with a little handle coming out here like this, so you can go back and forth before you start it. That could piss somebody off enough to put it in there, but I can fix that. And yeah, it's been used a lot, so I know it's lasted, but I think somebody just got frustrated with it. And with that being off there like that, I can see where somebody might have got really frustrated with it and just want another one. But it's got USB ports and lights, and it's also got a carbon monoxide thing in it. So yeah, it's a quiet one. If I can get it running, that'll come in handy. I found the problem with this generator that somebody threw by the trash. So I cleaned out the bottom of it, found a bunch of chicken feathers and hay and a mouse nest. So that was their issue. And there's all kinds of little bite marks in it, you can tell. And that went to your 110 outlet. Yeah, that's why they ended up trying to mess with the reset button, which they should not have. They probably took off this part, but never took off the whole thing to see that this wire back here that was going there had been eaten in the middle by a mouse. And so they almost tore the whole thing up, and didn't even take the sides off to see. And yeah, free generator. I'll fix it and start it up for less than probably 20 bucks. $400 generator over a mouse.